In this video, we solve two percentage problem number 47 and problem number 48. In the first problem, the question is that 1/4 is what percent of 3 by 4, and in the problem 48, 2/3 is what percent of 1 by 3. That means from the two questions it is clear that both are same. Therefore, we proceed in the same manner for these two problems. In the first problem, we proceed in the following way. We first write 1 by 4 divide by, that means this fraction, divide by this fraction into 100. Now we cancel 4. Therefore, our answer is 100 by 3. That means 33 whole 1 by 3%. And this is our answer. And in the second problem, we proceed in the similar manner. We first write 2 by 3 divide by 1 by 3 into 100. Now we cancel 3. Therefore, we get 200 and our answer is 200%.